Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Jay Jindal. I'm a consultant audiologist in Kent. Today I'm going to talk to you about when to get a hearing test done for your child. Every child born in UK will have a newborn hearing screening done within the first couple of days of life. And then they will have another hearing screening at the reception year at school, particularly for the children who go to government schools. Between birth and the reception year, they might show certain signs and symptoms where you might want to take them to an audiologist to get a hearing test done. Firstly, it's very much dependent on their speech and language development. So a 1-year-old child, or perhaps slightly older, should be able to speak their first word. As they grow older, a 2-year-old child should have about 20-30 words in their vocabulary, and a 3-year-old child starts to join words together and make simple sentences. If any of these stages are missed, or if the speech is not clear enough, if they're asking you to repeat again and again, if they're using the word pardon a lot more, if the television volume is perhaps too loud, or they're going very close to the television to try and hear it, all those signs will tell you that you may need to get your child's hearing assessed. It tends to get a little bit easier as they get older because they can tell you whether they're hearing their teacher and their friends at school or not. However, there are certain difficulties which present themselves uniquely when there's some other acoustical challenges around the children. So in quiet environment, their hearing might be perfectly normal, but as soon as they go in an environment with noise or more than one person talking at the same time, they might have what we call listening difficulties or auditory processing difficulties. Auditory processing, in short, is everything that your brain does, what our ears gather in terms of sound. So it's all the processing of the sound that's happening at the level of the brain in order to decipher the meaning of the sound. Hearing is an important link which links us with our environment, with people around us, and everything else in between. Therefore, it is really, really important that the hearing link is not broken. And if you're in doubt about your child's hearing, please do make sure you visit your nearest pediatric audiologist to get it looked after.